Hi guys, so I want you guys to be the judge. We are all trying to use AI tools to create pictures, create videos, create movies. I tested 4 AI tools and I want you guys to be the judge. Which one do you think that did the job better? Okay, so let's start with Google Image FX. So this is the Google image and I pasted a prompt. The same prompt I pasted here is what I pasted in the other 3 AI tools. Okay, so I pasted this prompt here and it's about a tall Nigerian woman or a tall African woman, late 20s, early 30s, smooth, deep brown skin, slim, elegant body, long, dark, wavy hair, soft, feminine facial features, full lips, expressive eyes, natural beauty, classy outfit, realistic human appearance. Okay? Be the judge. Oh. So this is what Google Image FX gave to me. Okay, so let's go to the other one. Google Whisk. Yeah, you can use Google Whisk to also generate image. The same prompt, can you see it here? Tall Nigerian woman, late 20s, early 30s, blah, 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 blah. Okay, read yourself. The same thing. I did not change anything, okay? And this is what the Google Whisk gave to us. Very beautiful. I love that. And this one too, okay? It gave me 2. Why the other Google Image FX gave me only 1? So I have no choice to choose, which I did not find good. And secondly, once you generate 2 images, you can't generate again for that day. I didn't find it good. Okay, good. So this one, I think I like. Well, let me not tell you guys what is in my mind. Be the judge, okay? So let's go to the next one. The next one I use ChatGPT. You know you can generate image with ChatGPT, okay? The same prompt here. The same prompt. It gave me a very beautiful lady. Okay, I love that. I love that. It looks very, very good. With ChatGPT, you can generate image, but I think if you generate like 2 to 3, yeah, you have your max, so you need to pay for it. And then I use Grok. Grok was even giving me the one that did not even cover themselves. I don't know. We're supposed to cover ourselves, isn't it? Now I have to find a way to cover up here. So this is what Grok gave to me. Very beautiful. I like that. Okay. So Grok gave me so many images. It's even giving me more. Okay. So yeah, Grok did great job to me, but I also want you guys to be the judge. So this is Grok. Um, so this is the one Grok gave me in that prompt. It's giving me more now, but I didn't ask for that. So this is the one Grok gave to me. He gave me a lot. He also gave me this one with the same prompt. With the same prompt, he just gave me 10 for me to choose, which is good. Okay. And ChatGPT, of course, will give you just 1, but I like. And Google Whisk gave me 2 to choose. Okay. And then Google Image FX gave me just 1, this one to choose. Okay, guys, be the judge. And then let me show you one more. Let me show you one more. So I also pasted another prompt, the same prompt for the 4. So this is Google. This time around, I stated that it's going to be dry D. Okay, it's going to be dry D. Pizza. You can see it's dry D. Okay, animation style. So this is what I use. So this is this same prompt here, another prompt too, another prompt. Okay, but it's going to be dry D. Google Image FX. This is what it gave to me. Let's go to Google Whisk for the dry D. They even gave me 4. Okay, the same prompt. I found out that the eyes are a little bit too big for my liking, but it's dry D. These second ones there are not bad. Let's see. You see? So it's beautiful. I like that. So ChatGPT, let me find the image. Can I find the image? Let me see quickly. Yes, this one. Guys, can you see that the same prompt I gave to Google Image FX is the same prompt ChatGPT used to generate this one? I okay, you guys have to judge. Please judge. Oh, I'm trying not to judge. So, so this is the dry D, the same prompt. Okay, this is what ChatGPT gave to me. So now, um, let's check Grok. So for the dry D, Grok gave me. Let's see if I can find it quick. So guys, this is what Grok gave to me. Why I love Grok is that they will just give you a lot for you to choose. Okay, so like I said, remember this one is dry D. I specified that it's gonna be what? Dry D. Okay, it's not looking bad. It's not looking bad at all. It's good. So now try be the judge. So this is one for Grok for the dry D. This is the one for This is one for ChatGPT for dry D. This is one for Google Whisk for dry D for the same prompt. You can see here for the same prompt. And this is the one for the Google Image FX for the same prompt. I'm just wondering why it's short like a baby. Okay then. Thank you so much. Let me know if you like this video and I will show you more if you have any question. Thank you. Bye.